In this video we'll talk about Luna Classic and why today Luna Classic can actually become very bullish. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, obviously I want to say, hope you're all doing great, hope you're all having a great week so far. And yeah, today is going to be quite an interesting video because yesterday I said that I bought Luna Classic. Which I still hold. I mean, I cannot show you now because I don't like to show money business, but I bought it, and the main reason for that is that tomorrow we're going to get the big Binance burn. We're still obviously, I mean, the burn tax is doing decent. We're burning more and more Luna Classic every day, which is nice to see, but in the end it's not that much, or not as much as we've had. But we are getting that Binance burn, and that's coming tomorrow, December the 1st. They are burning it every 1st of the month. And this is going to be the first time that they actually burn it monthly. Now we have to be honest, and we have to be realistic. And that is that the volume of Luna Classic in November, which is the month where the fees are going to be burned over, the volume has dropped down significantly. Beginning of November, obviously volume was still very high because then everything happened with FTX. But afterwards, it fell pretty hard. So, and apart from that, on-chain volume has also increased. So volume within exchanges has decreased a little bit. So what we can probably say is that the burn is probably going to be around 10 billion. Maybe you should make it a little bit broader, between like 10 and like 15 billion, which is still going to be a hell of a lot. All right, that's still going to be like 33% of what we have burned through in the entire last few months. So I still think it's going to be big, and the main reason for why I think that could transfer to some more bullish momentum for Luna Classic is for two reasons. First of all, back when we had the weekly burns with Binance, Luna Classic would also always become bullish the day before, which would be today, if I'm not, if I'm correct, yeah. And apart from that, we've also seen some more bullish momentum for the market, and we haven't really seen that for Luna Classic. Now we know Luna Classic sometimes is a coin that kind of moves in its own way and doesn't move along with the market, but when the correlation is high in the market, which it is during big fundamental events like now, usually it is pretty strong, the correlation. So based on both those factors, I still expect some more bullish momentum. The thing is that it looks less and less likely, and it looks more and more likely that I was wrong. Either way, at the end of the day, I am going to sell. All right, if I'm in profit or in loss, doesn't matter. But usually what happens with crypto, unfortunately, is that cryptos are quite bullish leading up to a fundamentally bullish event, which I identify as this big burn coming up. And then they get bearish once it actually happens. So I will sell at the end of the day. But until that time, what I still think is the most likely scenario, which is at this point of time, it's a very weird thing to say, but yeah, it might still happen, is I think we'll break above 16,500, find resistance at 17,000, take a break retest, and then start going up until tomorrow and the burn hits, and then we will start dropping back down. Not sure to what level, depends what level we broke above, but that's essentially what I think is going to happen for Luna Classic in the upcoming day. But you can also join the Discord, which is down in the description and in the comments, in the pinned comment, where I will be updating my Luna Classic position for a little bit longer. And if you wonder where I bought from here. So I am up right now, and it's probably going to end up in profit, but I would rather see some nice profits than just I don't know, a 5-10% trade, you know. So yeah, that's my take on Luna Classic. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, enjoy your day, stay safe, and bye.